Hello everyone, myself Dr. Raksha. Today I am going to discuss about the levels of prevention. Under the following headings: Introduction, Definition, Levels of Prevention, Various Mode of Intervention, and finally conclusion. There is a famous quote by Benjamin Franklin: an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. In general, preventive care refers to measures taken to prevent disease instead of curing or treating the symptoms. The level of prevention can be defined as activities designed to protect patients or their members of public from actual or potential health threats and their harmful consequences. Or prevention is the action aimed at eradicating, eliminating, or minimizing the impact of disease and disability. These are four types of concepts of prevention: primordial prevention, primary prevention, secondary prevention, and tertiary prevention. First is the primordial prevention. Primordial prevention is primary prevention in its purest sense. In this, we will prevent development of risk factor in population groups. Main intervention is through individual and mass education. The current slide shows the natural history of disease, which shows disease process in two parts: period of pre-pathogenesis and period of pathogenesis. During period of pre-pathogenesis, disease didn't occur, but all these factors like agent, host, and environmental factors are present, and there is no interaction between those factors. During this period, we have to do primary prevention by health promotion and specific protection. During period of pathogenesis, there is the interaction of all the factors and disease may occur. So this is the course of disease in man with stages like early pathogenesis, early lesion, advanced disease, and convalescence. During this period, we have to use secondary level of prevention, and mode of intervention is early diagnosis and prompt treatment, and in tertiary prevention by using disability limitation and rehabilitation. Now, primary prevention is a action taken prior to the onset of disease, which removes the possibility that a disease will ever occur. Intervention is the pathogenesis phase of a disease or health problem. Secondary prevention. Secondary prevention defined as action which halts the progress of disease and its incipient stage and prevents complication. Intervention are early diagnosis and adequate treatment. It arrests the disease process. Now, tertiary prevention. Tertiary prevention defined as all measures available to reduce or limit impairment and disability, minimize suffering caused by existing departures from good health, and to promote the patient adjustment to irremediable conditions. The mode of intervention is the disability limitation and rehabilitation. Modes of intervention. Intervention is defined as any attempt to intervene or interrupt the usual sequence in the development of disease in men. It can be treatment, education, health, or social support. Usually, there are five modes of intervention. So, here are the modes of the intervention according to the levels of prevention. In primary prevention, the modes of intervention is the health promotion and specific protection. In secondary level of prevention, the mode of intervention is early diagnosis and prompt treatment. In tertiary level of prevention, the mode of intervention is disability limitation and rehabilitation. Health promotion. It is the intervention of level of primary prevention. Health promotion. It is a process of enabling people to increase control over and improve health. It is not directed against any particular disease, but is intended to strengthen the host through a variety of approaches like health education, environmental modification, nutritional intervention, and lifestyle and behavior changes. Specific protection, the mode of the intervention, which include immunization, use of specific nutrients, chemoprophylaxis, protection against occupational hazard, protection from carcinogens, avoidance of allergens, control of specific hazard, and last one is the product quality and safety of food, drug, cosmetics. Early diagnosis and treatment. It is a mode of intervention for secondary level of prevention. Here disease has already started, so it's not a strictly prevention, but it intercepts the disease process. It is as effective and economical as primary prevention. Disability limitation. This is the mode of intervention for tertiary prevention. Here, disease progress in its advanced stage, which may cause impairment, then disability, further handicap. So, in disability limitation, we halt the transition of the disease process from impairment to handicap. Rehabilitation. Measure aimed at reducing the impact of disabling and handicapping condition and at enabling the disabled and handicapped to achieve social integration. So after understanding the various level of prevention with their different mode of intervention, we can conclude the prevention is the better than cure. Thank you.